All right, so I don't know what happened to the last one. Redoing it. So again, just giving continuous updates on the car. I think I'll actually post after this. But here's your block. Super tiny, completely bare. Rods, pistons, bearings, you name it, are out of it. I'm a little nervous because this was a perfect block in every way. The only hot spot was in the rear from the crank. As you can see, just the discoloration. Those are actually oiling little slots, but you can see the discoloration there on both of those. Those were the only hot spots on 87,000 miles, 500 plus, running for a very long time like that. So super excited. Bringing this to my buddy's shop this weekend, or I'm sorry, this week, and we'll start building. We should have the motor done by December, January, so that's fucking awesome. And then right now, you can see this mess of 30 years of shit. This is actually my 4th go around, and I'm still only on the driver's side, but literally just with a wire wheel, a bunch of different wire wheels, I am just cleaning. You can't even see, but cleaning the whole underbody. So trying to get it as clean as I possibly can before I paint it and de-rust any. There's not a lot, but very, random small rust areas. This was a North car, but again, it's in great condition, so pretty fucking awesome. I'm super excited. We're moving pretty quick. Polar Engineering is sending me out my fuel lines, or my dual fuel pump, plus with all of their fuel rails and all that stuff. But regardless, once I'm done cleaning, I'm painting, and then I'm putting in the dual hanger, running the fuel lines, and yeah, slowly putting the car back together. So we'll start putting in like simple stuff first, right? The end links and sway bars and all that stuff. But yeah, so just an update on everything. So also, stock cams, great condition. Cams, heads, rods, all for sale. If anybody needs anything, super cheap, either hit me up in the comments or you'll find them on eBay for sure. And I'm gonna have a ton of stuff for sale, but those are the only things I'm selling right now. That bumper also for sale if anyone wants it, because I'm going with the Twin Z. Am I in the mirror right now? So yeah, let me know in the comments, or find it on eBay probably in about a month, whenever I get around to it. But regardless, thanks for tuning in. Always down to hear some tips, tricks, information you guys have. So I appreciate it, guys.